In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content planner in Glide. By the end, you'll have a simple, organized place to capture ideas and see them at a glance, ready to publish. Start by opening your browser and heading to Glide. Click Sign In and use your existing account to get into your dashboard. From there, open the app you want to edit. This ensures we're adding the planner right inside the project you're already working on. In the app editor, look for the add icon in the navigation and choose a custom screen. A custom screen gives you a clean slate, so you can decide exactly what appears without preset components getting in the way. Think of it as your canvas for the planner interface. Next, let's set up the data behind the screen. Click Data at the top to switch to the data view. In the Tables area, click the Add icon and choose Blank Table. Name this table Content. This is where all your planner entries will live, so giving it a clear name helps keep everything organized later. Now let's structure the information you'll track. Click plus New Column and add 3 columns: Title as a text type, Platform as a text type, and Status as a text type. Title will hold the name of the content idea. Platform can store where it will be published, like blog, social, or newsletter. And Status is perfect for labels like idea, drafting, scheduled, or published. You can always expand this later, but these 3 keep things straightforward to start. Click plus New Row to add your first entries. Begin typing in your content ideas. Give each one a clear title, note the platform, and assign a status so you can see what's moving forward. Add a few rows to get a feel for how your planner will shape up. Even a small starter list will make the layout preview more meaningful. With some data in place, click Layout at the top to return to the screen design. In the right sidebar, choose Content as the source. This connects your custom screen to the table you just created. Check the preview to confirm your entries appear as expected and that the fields you care about, title, platform, and status, are visible and readable. If something looks off, make slight label or value tweaks in the data to keep things clear. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Your content planner is now live and ready to use, and any updates you make in the table will reflect immediately. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.